What is up, world? And today, what are we driving today? Green Evo? No. Today, we're taking the purple Evo. Cold start for the boys. And what is up, world? I am back. And back with not the best of news. So, you know, the Gravity Rally was, I was prepping for that, but we got hit with a tropical storm that developed into a hurricane, and because of that, they canceled my rally. So that sucks. So we are rallyless, and all that prep, all that frustration and anticipation and scaredness, it's all gone because the rally is canceled. So they did reschedule it. Let me give you some info on that. You could check it out right here. So the day that I was supposed to be rallying was Sunday. So that got canceled due to the weather. Sucks, but it is what it is. You know, bad stuff happens all the time, and it's something out of their control too. They're really good about it. So the good thing is, well, the good bad thing, they rescheduled it for November, and it's November 1st. November 1st is a Friday. That is super hard because the event starts early. So like the driver check-in starts at 6:30 in the morning till 7:30. So it's not like something you could really drive to day of. It's about a 2-hour drive for me, so I'd have to spend the night before. The night before November 1st is Halloween. So for me to go to that event, I wouldn't be able to take my daughter trick-or-treating or do any of that fun dad stuff. So, and November 1st is my anniversary, and it so happens to be my 10-year anniversary. So it's like I struck out. So I don't think November 1st is going to work. I'm probably going to have to wait a whole year before I do another Gravity Rally. So it sucks. There's nothing we can do. But there is a but. The Racing Channel is having their no prep at Orlando Speed World. That was the last one I did with the purple Evo. Boom. And that one's going to be November 30th. So that one's doable. So that is what I'm getting ready for. So that one's going to be a fun one. That's a roll racing event. Although I really wanted to do a track event, but it is what it is. So, like I said, it was out of everybody's control. Nothing we could do. All right, we can't cry about it. It's got to move on, and there'll be plenty other cool events. Will there be a Gravity Rally? No. There are other rallies to do, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wait a year for it and just and go hang out with those guys because that's a very private event. That would have been cool, but it is what it is. So next event is the Racing Channel, the no prep at OSW, which is Orlando Speed World. So that's what we're getting ready for. And yeah, so now back to the final edition. Today, we are sanding down the rest of the primer and getting it ready to paint. That's going to be like three sessions. First, I want to do the roof. So I'm going to finish out the roof today, and hopefully I can paint the roof tomorrow. Door jambs, and then the outside of the car. I got a bunch of vacations coming up, going to New York, and I'm going to the Bahamas. So I have 2 weeks to finish this vehicle, put it together, and yeah. So that's motivation, and I hope you guys are ready. So here we go. This side's already sanded. You see the glass, you see the tape. That means the glass is pulled. So I got the front and rear glass pulled. A little bit of primer to sand, set up the roof to paint. So it goes roof, door jambs, and the outside. So that's what we're doing today. At the end of the day. And it's almost time. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I hope you guys are ready for this journey on the final edition. Well, looky who we got here. Mr. Vicky. Huh? How you feeling today? You happy today? No. Why not? By yourself? Let's see what Vicky's doing over here. Well, you painted it. Who painted it? Okay. And yeah, so Vicky painted this, and it was very dull, so we made him sand it. Well, he sands it, Carlos is gonna buff it, right, Vicky? Guy almost sanded the whole car. He ain't playing. And over here, Mr. Carlos in the house. How you feel today, Carlos?
Itchy. Mosquitoes out.
Serious,
you don't feel?
No.
You're not biting?
I got a lot of lotion on.
Me too, but...
Plus, I've been in the office. Yeah, car's got the door, fender, and hood. Time to paint. Check it out. Got motivation. Motivation right there. Carlos says they snap on head. They snap on everything. Even snap on shoes. Check it out. Even those are snap on shoes.
No, Vicky's a snap.
Oh, Vicky got snap on shoes? Those are snap on shoes right there. What? Got the Gucci's on. So, what we're doing is wet sanding. Because, like, the viewers, they don't know how to wet sand. So, we explain what we're doing. So, before we put the primer on, we use a 600 grit. Now, we're using a 400 grit sandpaper by 3M. That's all we use. And then,
Blocking.
you got a soft foam block by somebody. But that's, you know, that's for the curves. You don't leave your fingerprints. Explain, Carlos. Go for it. He's gonna get some sandpaper, and then we're gonna do some explaining what we're doing here, because it's not like you guys do body work for a living or sand cars. So we're gonna explain the process. So you have to hold it up.
Huh?
You have to, like, hold it up to your higher. Yeah, there you go. So
Door block, 600. Put it together. Open the door a little. You don't want to make a line on the other door.
trying to hit the glass. That's what Vicky does.
Put a little bit of water in there. Get it clean. And this will let you know if you got a high spot or a low spot as you're going.
Cut through pretty good.
Yeah, and you see how it's just kind of even. It lets you know you need to sand a little bit more.
So show them what a high spot is. Let me get out my
Like for example, right here, the block is nice and straight. So right here, let us know it's a little low. Because this is nice and clean. This is nice and clean, but not that. So we want it all even to look like this.
Check
And we
it
just
out.
keep going.
Nice and gray.
I'm hot.
You're high?
Yeah. Hot, not hot. No smoke. Just drink.
Sanding with Carlos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right. Drink your Corona. I'm a snap-on cart. You ready to buff, Vicky? We 2,000'd it, and then we're about to 5,000 it, and this is going to look like glass. It's going to look like real nice. Well, I tried to get it on the GoPro, but it did not work. I guess the GoPro's aimed down too much. This is weird. I don't like this mount. I need to get one of the heads unit ones. But anyway, I'm in the booth. Let's check out the Evo. I just did the roof. Got it taped up. So this is the first car. The first car pretty good. Pretty good. Hope it doesn't run. I put it on thick. Alright, we're gonna let it pull, give it 20 minutes. That's usually flash time, and then I'm gonna come back and put the last coat. Been drying for about an hour. Let's see how this thing came out. Let's see if the clear held. I put it on thick. Hopefully the edges didn't run. I put it on really thick with a clear that I'm not familiar with, but yeah, good. And you know I'm still gonna wet sand and buff it. Not gonna hide anything from you guys. Because over here it dried out a little bit and I put a little extra coat. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for someone that hasn't painted in like 2-3 months. Let's do a little B-roll. Here we go. Looks good. Looks good. Pretty proud of myself. All right. On to the next one. Right. Look at the update. Vicky, hurry up. Man, it's late. Look at it. 840. Check it out. Everything's all sanded, courtesy to Vicky over here. I did dismantle all the stuff though, so give me some props. And then this side's all sanded. We're gonna retape the VIN number. I pulled off the stickers off. So yeah, it's just gonna jam it out. So check it out. It's way easier to put the doors on and then paint the outside of the car. It's way easier because when you try to do the door jams and the doors, you're painting the doors and then the inside has like a mist coat and it dulls out the clear and it doesn't make it look shiny, and then you open the doors and then you jam it out nice and shiny, then you mess up your outside doors. It's like a battle, and I don't like to do that. I think it's way easier just to tape it, shut the doors, and then you can work on your gloss level one shot. So yeah, looking good. So that's the update. All right, got some cool stuff. Yeah, I'm back. Vicky's in the booth. Evo's in the booth, taping it up. All right, so check this out. This is how you got to tape up the jams. So we're doing door jams, gas jam, trunk jam. Vicky's over here. Doesn't want to look at the camera. Other side. Also doing the fender jams. That's it. That's it for this session. Got a GoPro today with the head strap. I'm not using the neck strap anymore because that always messes up my video. It doesn't really follow the like you aim it, but nothing like the head. Whatever I see, the GoPro will see. So that's good. So yeah, bam, got my head strap right here. Let's get to this. Here we go. Getting ready to clear. Check this out. I'm super proud. I got me a kit mailed from California. Some HB. We put HB on this bad boy. So here we go. On this bike. Love that HB clear. That HB clear goes on beautiful. Check this. I'm not supposed to. This is the first coat, and the first coat is going on like the second coat. And we put 2 coats on everything, so I'm letting it dry. Got 20 minutes. It is a hot day today. Look at me. I am filthy, and it's only lunchtime. All right, let's go in the booth. Check this out. Hopefully all the fumes pulled. Very nice. This is the first coat. I'm gonna go crazy on the second. I'll build it up really nice. Check it. There we go. It's a trunk. So looking good, looking good. All right, one more coat and I'm done. here it is. Door jambs all nice and glossy. Look at the gloss level on it. Like I said, I based the fenders, but I didn't clear it. I'm gonna tape it up how I wanted to. Check that, I should have put a little bit more clear over there, but you ain't gonna see that. Nice and glossy. Wow! Check it out, Vicky. Here we go. We're gonna get a live reaction from Vicky. Check it out. How you like the gloss level? Check it out. Well, no, I didn't clear those. Those are just based. That's 2 light coats. Yeah. That's why I like the HP. That thing is. I like how when the dust goes on it, the dust just falls in. It doesn't leave any dust marks.
Okay, that's good.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's good. You got your pass.
Vicky passed me. Vicky passed me. So I'm gonna do the inside of the doors and then get the outside ready. I'm probably gonna order another kit of clear. Sheesh. Because that's a lot of clear, but to do the inside and then the outside, the bumpers and everything, because it's right here right now.
Oh, normal?
Yeah, I use normal. And I think that's all they had. Hope you like it. Next, let me show you what's going on. Doors off, so I'm gonna start getting the inside ready to paint. Like I said, we're gonna do under the hood, under the doors, the door jambs inner, and trunk jambs, inside the gas cap, all that stuff. You got it real nice and glossy. There's the trunk over there. And then put it all together, and then paint the car. And then we gotta do all the little stuff like the mirrors, the handles, so a little bit. So that's the update. Hope you liked it.